Hey guys, so Sean and I ordered some parts for our Supras, so we're going to head down to Titan Motorsports and pick them up. We ordered a wing for his car, a wing for my car, and also a front lip for my car. So let's head on over there.
2 hours later.
And we made it to Titan. So here we are at Titan. And here's the Boost Lee Supra, which is hopefully roughly what my Supra is going to look like. We're here to pick up wings for our cars and front lips, same kind that's on this car. You can see all the trophies on the wall here. It's a pretty cool place. Pretty massive turbo there. But love how this car looks. It's currently sitting as a shell. I think they're rebuilding the engine. But this is the lip I'm gonna run. So car should look really similar to this one.
Yeah, so Nero actually has quite a few personal cars here. With this one being
This one used to be twin turbo, right?
yeah, so they built it back for SEMA. I want to say it was like 2013. Back when the Gallardo was still a prevalent car.
Yeah.
Engines out of it. It's a sleeve block, piston rods, head stuff. Fully built block. You can kind of take the motor out of it for now.
I've been looking at it, and they say manuals, and I actually go up to the car, I'm like,
No, this one's actually a gated ship.
well, no,
which
it
is
is.
which is like a rare.
Oh yeah, but like I go online, look, they say automatic, and then they say manual,
Yeah.
and then I go look at the ones that say manual, because they're new and they don't have pictures,
Yeah.
and they're usually sold very quickly like that.
Yeah.
Like I'll show you one of the ones that's over by where I live.
Probably something similar to what this one is. A lot of people they'll say manual because it's an e-gear transmission per se.
Yeah, it's paddle shift.
So it's not completely automatic because you do physically have to go through the.
I went up to it, I'm like, oh shit, it's not.
Yeah, so yeah,
That's really cool.
it's like a misconception where like the manual cars they're still automatic, they're the e-gear. So the reason they say manual is because you physically have to go through the gears. It's technically a manual, but not really.
I was like, wow, that's a long room for the headliners.
Yeah, it's kind of the interior part.
What did you say he's putting back in it?
Oh,
Just go back to stock? Or?
No, he's putting the built block back into it. He was using it as like an R&D car back in the day, and then he just never got around to putting it back together. So it's been pretty much in this state for about 6 years. For the simple fact is that the Gallardo motor is really old at this point,
They can't really handle it.
Yeah, so as the motor is aged and depending on the car prior, the motor is not as strong. So what a lot of people are doing is they're finding like the old rental cars per se that were beat on for 5-6 years back in their rental car life, and then people were trying to turbo them on a week earlier. So and it's kind of blowing. And then obviously these short blocks aren't cheap at all. And honestly, like the Gallardo, nobody's really building them per se that they do. You have people like Underground Racing, kind of performance. Companies like that kind of made a staple for themselves in the twin turbo Lambo scene. This one's a 2012. It has the updated front end, and then the updated headlights and taillights. But the car is 2012. Obviously, fully built. So this one actually has a brand new trans getting into it. Hopefully in the next couple weeks. It's a stock turbo location car, so it has upgraded turbo. It's just stock vehicles. Car is made 60 1905 at the wheels. On E98. The car's made for, it's like a street show car that they built back in the day. Car ran an 8.3 quarter mile and a 260 mile per hour half mile. But it still has power steering, navigation, AC, still has rear seats. Car on the street, we're on like an articulate setup for the street, or a Nitto NC05.
I do miss mine.
Yeah. So that's basically what this car is. It's a real, it's an old challenge car back in the 90s. Challenge car. And it has all of the technology on it. Basically, it's here for review, say. So it's got a brand new contract for the wheel. They want to see the modern car right here. A lot of it's, like I said, older.
I'm just really interested in like setting my stuff up.
Yeah. I'm more on that uniforms guy myself.
Yeah, but that race car that was on eBay had the same very, very small. That's a crazy.
Look at how the cage goes through the chassis. See how the cage goes through it?
Yeah. Oh, like the real 90s Recaro bucket
I
seats.
love them. They're like, you sit in it, it's almost like it's a seat too small, but it's like, it really...
Yeah, they're cool looking. Besides the plastic adjustment knob. No, they're fun. They fit the car really well.
But this one also has like the same e-box, like, maybe something.
These are currently looking decent, like drag shot. Like your name is really cool.
Yeah, it does look different.
What's cool about these is they actually move the struts to the right and to the left, so they actually move it out of the way. Kind of making it easier to work with the car.
Like the front part,
Yeah.
there. Literally, you can park everything under here. You like every plastic piece, and then take the big rod bolt out that goes through.
Yeah, so I mean,
Oh wow, that
obviously like trial and error many times. So it's doing very, very well in its different class. So this is the first year that it's ran in an XT75 style class, which is tire limited. It's obviously 75 radio. But cars, both these cars run very